Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Fix. Switch the input source system setting to another microphone. Open the macOS System Preferences. Head into the Sound options. And under the Input tab, select a non-AirPods microphone, e.g. your Mac's internal microphone.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The reason your AirPods end up stuck in the SCO codec is due to Bluetooth's bandwidth support. Bluetooth can't support high-quality input and output streams at the same time, which leads to your AirPods producing poor quality sound when connected to your Mac.
Take our lead.
Bluetooth connections can be affected by interference, which can cause everything from static to reduced audio quality and even disconnects. Wi-Fi can cause interference with the AirPods, especially during calls, so you might want to try turning off Wi-Fi while making calls.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to fix muffled sounds in AirPods. Wipe down exterior with a microfiber cloth. Clean the speaker ports. Clean the charging case. Disable nearby Bluetooth devices. Toggle Bluetooth off and back on. A note about Bluetooth issues on Mac computers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.